Hello again, everyone. This is Dan again with a rather unusual topic. And once again, I encourage you to always not take my word for it, especially since I'm speculating sometimes, along with some, but not the majority of Bible scholars on subjects like today. We can agree to disagree, as this topic is not a foundational belief, but it's something I think is quite interesting, and hopefully you will too. There's quite a bit of speculation as to when did Lucifer fall. He was already in a fallen state by the time we get to his temptation of Eve to disobey God and eat of the forbidden fruit. We know that Lucifer was the anointed cherub that covereth. We think he actually led worship of God at one time, and that he was number one among all the angels. There are verses that I have linked below that suggest that Lucifer had many cities that engaged in trade and commerce that were finally laid waste as a result of his rebellion. The garden that he walked in of stone seems to be quite different than the one for Adam and Eve. Where was his garden, his cities, and his kingdom located? Was it on earth, or as some speculate, on Mars? Which Mars does show some evidence of ruins. We don't know for sure until we send astronauts or robotic devices that cover a larger amount of territory than what they do now. Or possibly, as some have even speculated, there was a missing planet called Rahab. And by the way, the name Rahab means the proud one. The speculation of a planet Rahab involves a belief that where the asteroid belt is now, there was once a planet possibly destroyed during the judgment of God. According to one version of this theory or speculation, Mars may have actually orbited this planet. Now, the mass of the asteroid belt is probably not near enough for a big enough planet by itself, but there's other theories. Maybe that planet, after it was destroyed, parts of it became a moon that is now circling Jupiter or Saturn. We just don't know for sure. But I hope this is an interesting topic for you, and I've got the links below, and you can research it for yourself and see what you think. May God bless you.